Hey, what's going on, you Flow Generation speaking? So, it has been a while, guys. So, a lot of you guys have been asking me so many questions like CPI is not doing well, Euro interest rate is not doing well, so AUD interest rate is not doing well, USD interest rate is not doing well, and what is there that I'm trading? So, and that's the biggest question. So for the past 2 to 3 months, so many events, so many news events were not moving like as usual, and but fortunately enough, there are those that are moving like crazy, and some of you guys are not aware of them. So in this video, I'm going to tell you which events are good to trade now these days, and which events you must avoid. So according to my experience, so first and foremost, you must understand that the forex market is a dynamic market. That basically means it's always changing. It's never the same. Okay, so a good example I can give is if you are a true fundamental like me, so NFP can be good this month, but next month is not good. So and that's how these events work. So let me just tell you which events are good to trade, and which events you must avoid. So I'm here on forexfactory.com. This is the news, the website that I use to check and to see which events going to release on a given day. So let me start with next week. So next week we have so I don't trade CAD CPI, so but you can trade this one, but for me I don't trade it, as well as GBP CPI, no. So the best news to trade next week is this is going to happen on Thursday, March 20, on the 2023. So we have what we call S&P policy rate. So this is basically an interest rate for CHF. So this event has been good for me for the past 6 months, and I make money when I trade it. So but the worst thing about this event is that all the pairs with CHF have high spread. So meaning if you risk 100% of your capital, you might lose unnecessarily. So meaning if you have to trade this event, you must lower your lot sizes. If you have if for instance if you have $100, you must just risk up to 60 or 70. So this is the best event right now. It is moving, it is making profit. So the next event is GBP official bank rate, or monetary policy summary, something like that. But this also the interest rate for the GBP. So for some reason this news is going to move this month, I mean next week. No matter what happened, it's going to move. The only thing is that sometimes it can move 45 to 50, close to 65 pips in 1 minute, and it changes. It can change direction, so that's already a rejection. So meaning once you make profit on this one, just exit even if it is in 15 seconds, just exit. So that's the second event next week. So then there we have unemployment claims. I don't trade those news because they don't have a good risk to return ratio. So all these news, I think French flash services PMI, no, those are not good, but you can try them. So next week, meaning next week, we only have 2 events. Trust you me, believe you me, these 2 events they are the best. So just to take you back a little bit, we have FOMC. So this event, I cannot say you must trade it, you must avoid it, but personally I'm not going to trade this one because it does fluctuate a lot. After this news is released, it doesn't go in one direction in most cases. It goes up, it goes down and all that. So meaning this is not one of the best. Next week you must just focus on these 2, and they are going to happen almost at the the first one is going to happen at 10 past 30 minutes, and the second one at 2 p.m. You just have to adjust your time to forexfactory.com. These 2 events. So but again, we also have I also like to trade FOMC after it has released. So maybe I'm going to make a video of me trading it live. So I have so many videos of it, so I trade it after it has released. So next week, next month, let's see, next month we have AUD cash rate RBA rate statement. This one is also an interest rate for AUD. Trust me, this event is also going to move. That's for next week. I don't trade like Joe OLTS job openings. I don't trade this one. And we also have official cash rate. So this one is not moving well. Personally, I'm not gonna trade it at all. And what else? Yeah, so we have NFP. You have seen it this month. It has moved, especially on GBP USD JPY. It has moved like 100 pips, something like that, and I believe next month is going to move. It's going to do the same. So which else? So you guys, we have also CPI. This one is no more fruitful, but if you are smart enough, it is rejecting within 20 seconds. If you are smart enough, you can make something in less than 15 seconds, then you exit. But if you are to hold this one, you are not gonna make money unless immediately after it has been released. You can check the outcomes. If the outcomes of all these 3 news, CPI M/M or CPI Y/Y or core CPI are the same, maybe that's the time you need to you need to hold. So, and we have also CAD, and this one is also moving, but it is it's only moving like 50 pips somewhere there. So meaning if you risk $10, you're gonna make 50. Once you make that money, just exit, because sometimes it does reject. So which one else? Yeah, even this one, we have USD core PPI unemployment claims. This event, it does move, and it has been moving like for the past 6 months, and so many fundamental traders, they don't know this event. But trust me, if you want to make money next month on the 13th April, please just trade this one. You can even skip, you can even trade only NFP and this event. Trust me, you are going to recover all your losses. And I think those are the best events. I don't trade all these events because I know what is good, I know what is bad, I know when to make money and when to lose money. If just be prepared to lose money. So let me just take you back. This month, next week, just to do a recap. So personally, I'm going these two events, the CHF interest rate, so I'm going to trade it, and I'm going to trade the GBP interest rate as well. So I'm going to record these videos just to make sure just to remind you that I recommend these two events, and I have traded them, and I'm going to show my result on my YouTube channel. Please, if you want to recover all your losses, because even so many people lost their money on CPI. We all like to trade the CPI, but unfortunately nowadays it's not moving as usual. But that's not the end of the world. We have this one. I trust this one, CHF. That's the best event right now, and for some reason the GBP interest rate is going also to be good. So have a nice week. See you next week. So may the market be with you. So what, let me just